Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from Group 1 Class 9C and we are going to explain how to make scrambled eggs. So stay tuned. The materials we use in making scrambled eggs are 2 eggs, milk, 1 teaspoon of butter, a pinch of salt and pepper. So these are the steps we took to make scrambled eggs. First, crack the eggs into a small bowl and add a pinch of salt and pepper, also a little milk. Whisk until all is well blended. Next, in a frying pan, add butter and let it melt. Pour in the eggs and wait for around 20 seconds. Do not stir it. After that, fold the eggs to the center and stir it with a spatula. Last, lift the eggs and put them on a serving plate, and then your scrambled eggs are ready to serve. Okay, so we have reached the end of our explanation about how to make scrambled eggs. Thank you very much for listening. We apologize for any errors we made. Once again, we thank all of you for the attention.